In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a group chat in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to share your new group chat with others, all in a couple of quick, clear steps. First, look over to the left-hand sidebar of your ChatGPT screen. This is where all your existing conversations live. Each item in that list represents a conversation you've already started. Pick the specific conversation you want to use as the starting point for your group chat. It helps to choose one that already contains the context or examples you want to share, because your group chat will be created from that conversation. Now, move your mouse and hover directly over the conversation title in the sidebar. Don't click yet, just hover. When you do this, you'll see a small three-dot icon appear to the right of the conversation name. That icon is your Quick Actions menu. If you don't see it at first, make sure your cursor is right on top of the conversation title and give it a second. The icon only shows up when you hover over a specific conversation. Click the three-dot icon. A small menu will pop up with different options related to that conversation. From this menu, select Start Group Chat. This tells ChatGPT you want to create a new group chat based on the conversation you chose, so you and others can collaborate in one place. You'll see a confirmation prompt next. This is just to make sure you really want to start a group chat from that conversation. Confirm your choice. Taking a moment here is useful if you pick the wrong conversation by accident. Simply cancel and hover over the correct one instead. As soon as you confirm, ChatGPT will generate a shareable link for your new group chat. This link is your invite. Copy it and share it with the people you want to join. You can paste it into an email, a team chat, or wherever your collaborators are. Keep in mind that anyone with the link may be able to access the group chat, so share it thoughtfully and only with the people you trust. That's all there is to it. To recap, open the left sidebar, hover over the conversation you want, click the three dots, choose. Start group chat, confirm, and then share the link with your participants. With these steps, you can quickly bring others into a shared space and keep your discussion organized and focused.